You get lost in spreadsheets? You're looking to find the source of any number? Stop searching endlessly. Get instant answers with Velixo using our drill down functionality. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to know what is this number made of, my total expenses. Then I can simply click on the cell and then click on drill down right here. It is going to open a new sheet for me listing all the transactions involved in this number. And from here, I already have a clear picture. I can check my description, I can check my accounts, the balances, the turnover, and so on. And from here, I can dig even further by clicking on the hyperlink right here on my left that says View Transactions. If I do so, it will open my ERP in the actual transaction page for this specific transaction right here. You've liked what you've seen so far and want to learn more? Simply use the link in the description to get in touch with us and book your demo.